Okay, yama etiefo nyina kwaba biem enfambra Accra Life. So ene 26th of January 2021 already sharing Jumedi Live on Facebook. I know Accra Live Sansa YouTube no Accra Live GH. Onim say on the 27th of February next month no the Accra Life Rep Your Club fan gives no ebeba so I will do turn presidential court now. Sena feel last week here no no exclusive interview at the bro for a group sign or participate our the Rep Your Club fan games ebeba so I will 27th February and another day and two groups and everybody show no so discussions no ebe bro na me ka say the groups are eba no dream team sounds in conquest once on everybody but then no girls sometimes in two class ni no girls are over be na ya share the battle for supremacy no ya share obi about to be area man no nyonko your been say be so maybe some questions area for groups and you come mention groups it me fast so by nyama wo ye and I feel so pempen so what you say group it me akopue mu maybe some questions and I feel say about the 27th of February program because so I the stand presidential court so actually one preparation towards the program and even on the day nyama wo betumi adenedi the stand presidential court yeah they are bro back show now say na round 2 no about question and answers and so yeah the ebe bro mamena obi bia say ne wanya bre I share live on Facebook and ejumedi no na make na pack nti yeah the baba mayena your sponsors and so ase abre ne do nyina wa na wo so ya say me the ejumedi bro Accra Life Rep Your Club fan gives onim say main headline sponsor the Dutan presidential court and as the Dutan group one of the main headline sponsor supported by Siman Advertising up in major pharmacy once support at this is ebwa and BHG Studios sponsor and up in the Krakow Mimis Collections once ebwa and as a Mimis Closet once ebwa ama the Jumedi April 27th of February Jumedi ni so ebeba na sene on team na Jumedi no developing our community through the youth intene mebo e work upon ene yakika ye nwa bom na form groups no okwa men so ana yebetumi afa na developing okrapaman ana afin so no kwakwa mu no ekopon ana ekopon so etmafa na ntamapa efra weni Jumedi Accra Life so etmafa to no nso ntia or the Rep Your Club fan gives no bro anya say going na as activities na keke na emu no yenya ye groups no kwa men so na betumi afa aka ye nwa bom na ogwa manso no etumi akwa na nim 27th no share the town presidential court ekopon ekwapam just behind the Grace Presbyterian Church the Grace Presbyterian Church na bisa the town presidential court and as Mr. Kisiedu Nifia osa ebetumi aka prepare no yede register address no ebeto na fins no wanya location no outumi akopue the town presidential court I'm saying nipa everybody Jumedi so obi I set but the Edikano dream team and abepue mu our enche yede discussions no ebeba maka hye no so no midin ane Nana Kwame Amponsa edintino medical work Kwame the dream team the dream ladies yes the dream team no it's very possible I want you anymore studio ni na me no in common and ebe obi ameme niama wo yes niama wo onim say feel last week nya no obejina mu jam nsani faso a na ayeka ma me hye mu finfin jam ndenden wo na bibia ayeka ma ham onim say feel last week nya no group and they are traveling see by and I feel so we face Shimoni na a very interesting conversation and I don't have it on the Thursday last week sailors and so and the new vibrant and so no every primo na ocean discussions na course na a very interesting and then so another interesting conversation about so our my dream team Ukrainian ma gusule ukura bi pa o large extra large o large or medium or small ninya ewo group ni ma won so no ya be prem ana fin the congress won so no wa be prem ewo ha won so no wa ha nya discussions no about then some of producer catch you say very interesting it's no ninya because but meko the dream team no na fin so no brief introduction at the upper one ja obia positions okura obodi na obo position a okura our group na fin so the discussions now so it my start in me stand for so jamini abia wa me man money na fin so no position a okura our dream team
yeah Midijina me a leader of the group.
Okay, now you say when I am president our group.
Yes.
Okay. Then Gina CEO president financial bank ruler BBR of the dream team. Well, girls, yes, girls. But prepare no. Also akwanya da oyo berman na pesa ojo eno kran so a obetimi abante na me ane na the one juma di next one answer just say about discussions PR adwuma ne dia wo be ye ze me ana be premu but me ko me a lady back ko me sa benkum so no won say if you extra large ana ya ba small ze be call medium na ja bibia so na kama but we didn't have the position of guy.
I'm in the Lisa, many vice president of dream team.
Okay, Lisa. Okay, then Lisa, and so our Hanoma non a vice president, and the dream team, and also Abeka Yansawa. Mameko, the other person, and also never buying, but you didn't have the position.
Okay, me so me the Rosabel, me secretary.
Rosabel, also on secretary for the group and the dream team. Who said, and then I say, one voices were down, but when you say as time goes on, Bibia the discussions not all. But right away, you start in for discussions to prepare the other group and so every time join. But first of all, I'm starting very president, the first lady of the group. I'm starting and so on and president. Gina, and the dream team, money info. What group?
Oh, dream team, group of young ladies. You were a grapping memo. Na ni aye ne say ye ku a ye pese ye boa ye ho ene afofrofo a ye mmoa no betimi aso wonso na ya san atri bebre dom ababeka ye ku no na ye nya impact like the ladies should be bold on themselves doing things on their own and all young people rely on the young men in everything that they do. They rely on the young men in all that they do, and they should be confident in whatever they do. That is what our team is all about. Yeah.
I just say, woman empowerment.
Yes.
And then Mobua and Mayoa ewo kwape memu. Hanom say nebe ya won so betime je wo hu adi ewo bibi a warrior nebe go kwape man. I think say a good initiative a group like Dream Team also no more the aba. But mami Mr. Okay, mami Mr. Pro first lead one maybe so. You know said before but my set up group no. O say na kan no more reason ti am dey set up group no. Any group na aba be stay. Just say enough form say ni obeboa sabi nipa ano na ja wode wate uko mami bisa akwa president the challenge is very now ja mo face bra we set up this dream team.
Oh, a whole lot of challenges. One, commitment between the members. One, and you bringing them together and it's a whole lot.
Okay.
But me running it up no, I think that ebe ko bibia no obese gina no nya na easy sir nti challenges in the over we'll fight against it.
Then Madam President, Her Excellency Akan, or just the challenges in the doors, but senior ones who are father to one was saying, challenges are a mere face of society when we are fighting. So I also offer challenges, a group with my name. It's my bar, I will do something. Okay, I'm a vice president, so Dream Team Mobile, how many years in it?
Oh, I think say I think say after this year, ending of this year, I can't go 2 years.
Yeah. Mobile, and we are close to 2 years.
But I say, a fair need dinner by outside, here we change Medina.
Okay. It's a vice president. Ochima, what by close to 2 years in the ending of this year, no, moving out 2 years. But failing I say digging out. Why underground Niaman and our you need to have members. Niaman be on nipen one better what you be but push you on Pemo and what you put in what about 2 years no I think say good. But vice president I me get this more mra our group will be person joining or Kwamben so no bit my joining a dream team na fin so no say na mo kan woman empowerment and na form say ni wo betimi aboabo and mayowa anu na mabo won ewa mo age limit bi e ja obi person joining and I say mo age limit bi am be say mo boa abayo bi a mo be fa so mo age limit
age-wise, I think it doesn't matter. Bank, I better say young women ever from 18 years to I think 30 years allowed in our group. Yeah.
Now, mobile, qualification be.
Oh, you qualification be for now.
Yeah. See, my main secretary na maybe Madam Secretary. Madam Secretary, Obama has say woman Vice President. Okay. Me na ya na medium. We probably be doing for more. Madam Secretary, my maybe so. When say what secretary at my group about na church administrative work but you dey kese na kase dia secretary so when I be mboko meeting be as na eja we make sure say meeting be ba so let us amode kwa no sponsorship. You know say bibia o ya na form mo ye group yi mo ko boa ma yi wa mo yututu kwan ne ade a isika na mo de si musika sam te den eba na sika sem a mo gina wona so
so esane say group no by 2 years ni and said am ba out ya fansa na ye hu apu abonten no ene discuss am de yentimi nkan wa asem wa hasisi a je say bia ye hu yen president ni ade ansa na ye betimi de sika sem ni ade aiden ya kan wa asem ansa na ye be hu say bia ye ko ba bia sika sem na ye beje ye re program we sponsorship we anyway ni say internet de sisi ade je say ye this answer
Nti say na secretary because sika sem no obi anu a oja ode na account balance to abonten nti na is I read but we did ojina wona so make sure nga ojina wona so pa because we train madam by president oja me send first who say ja we heavy vice president so yes me na pa kakra who so no so we heavy but you remember group no so and I say activity so on the 27th for I know I do turn presidential court na fin so no yeah the Jumedi no atwa so area but medical ebisa vice president mami bisa na me na the Jumedi mami vice president tema kada Jumedi no so developing our community through the youth most makwe maiwa ja morebo mia titiu no we just said this team Akro Life afa that one to the Jumedi no ebeboa
oh me sha ebeboa pa if say me say kwapem ha no ye waku ahoro a youth na fe na ye rebo ye homodin say be bibi I think say togetherness ni mu team na match
na afen so no what's your 27 program never so no activities be so your aerobics your hiking and you call forest in him and afen so your drafts ludo ampe oje this more activity bi o ma say that every this activity na na more get trophy overall trophy no
yerije pa ina na so yerije
oje is activity but na make sure we betima
me bia me won bi
bia betima to draft
me ade kakra ho and I feel so ampe and I think say ba ko so ma eating competition no won tin bia ye hye wo bi
then a vice president can eating competition also program is one group we be nyina no slim ladies no slim for one I work eating competition one some minim be I would dig but okay edu so you be say dey hu but my president and I mean be president program na reba so ayo du tan obi be ka say na form say kopon and aso kwape memo no ye nyina ye betima come together na fence ya be dwene okwape ma ho ene no Akro Life afato no say group say we kopom yen ka ye humbo na fence no ye mo a okwape ma hunpuntu den na be ka e da fa Jumedi Akro Life for asese ewo ye kopon no
Sakra mechanic I think it's a good initiative because young girls ni bebre na like one who no enkabo mu nsheda ni that's what I see. And oyin so why no. We being groups no group we baba sembo oyin who ida it'll help us to know each other more and then obi like a good initiative, that's what I would say. Kakra American for honing.
Papa Mana Secretary, groups ni bi o se mo du amonum na dream team danu du so amuntimi ya hwe o je se mukra na sabe anhwa mo bari wo confident wo group no say on the day activities are so and Jumedia mo be say mo be di wo mo ti me di nkun na fempo team that so developing our community through the youth no mo ti maboa ama ya timi achieve.
Pacho Niama bebe or no ma challenges bebe in some day then ya beti bebe what you see because Niama we no ebi obi on ma dia we no or she Niama we na san obeka ne say wo che wan na say nanso me je defense say entimu no ye be wini me nka ne say bia for example ampin kwa ne ye be wini o mu say ye ni nyina ne ye ni mu ya de nanso ye je ye hu atum say ye stronger ye be wini de ye be wini
then you made in a bit your sada.
Okay, Mimi, I'm very good at netball, but me nka netball nko na make me aye. Me like many jidini say bibia mu no work as football everything we can do it yeah.
Mana secretary ona nya secretary adwuma no kwa no ye eba na ampe bibia obetima ba president obetima agba ampe.
Hey, asembe na okay. You can't judge me by my appearance. Okay. Masha Daba, I'm Master. What the chalky answer? Yeah, let me not brag. You get me?
The president and out just motion appearance now just don't to me bambino or just it done do so and mubu and then I was at the congress and so no I already ain't over joining more and then congress no my president oba na sema na congress so gina na ja masho mo ho anim na eja modia face so the 27th no program so no obi aso bebo no homoden it's in a congress so betumi ajo enemy and we will say team of production no I said Taylor Razzo so that's ni no obi bi ajo enemy nipa 2 mra na eja yan fan hyehyɛ so we say very also ajo enemy we have bi aba fine timbi meko the congress so na eja ye the discussions no ahyehyɛ so eja maybe stand needing any position okura our congress na afin so no aka bibi kakra be dey for one group no how many years na buy any juma eja the congress so no etimi edi ona pacho odin
medin de Madeleine Morgan Madeleine
okay.
Morgan
okay yeah yesu ne ma mini nua na Mary Madeleine na pacho wo ye den e congress
me secretary
okay ntino and the secretary for no yes wo congress mo okay the president and so ajo ene me wa haja ono so no ase ni nose mask kama you know mama be president member president the can bonidin na aja sani ayi ni no no president you know o ni nyina ka obi so bonidin na aja watch me congress by how many years ni and Jumedia the congress and so no modi
yeah that was say mo so mo invite yen say yeah mbeda ye hu edi share obia iti I know them go for bebre ni mo ye iti medical abomidin de nana madukua dede ka ho iti obi oni obi ani pesa na offer me iti efe concrete so ye ba ya chepa obi oni bi ani say ye wo ho for a very long time be say 16 years kwani because you started to say mo frank etwa from primary school na yes you na for starting in Fafi primary school iti ache kakra ana ye dey code JSS dey ko SS ina ebi akọ university no bi anso person ebi anso why iti say na I was say I think say we are matured iti na nema congress no buy no so din congress ne buy no I think say some way back we yenya nkofu bi nya issue wo say unim yen we kopo abe hu say I say yenya so ye din kakra
nti sɛ wo sɛ yaso yɛ den kakra sɛ tem bia no yaso yɛ den yani so yɛ den nti yɛhwɛ sɛ na yɛ tem bia yɛ sɛ tem bia yɛ ne nkɔfo nya issues na tem bia yɛtumi over wɔn obi a yɛ ne ni benya issue bia no yɛ over wɔn nti ya one day bi na yɛn base ayɛ asɔre down ho nti one day bi yɛte one na yɛ say but yɛn ayɛ ade paa o nti fiti ya mmɔfra si nyinaa no yɛn ayɛ ade like yɛn stay together ayɛ sɛ obiara mfie mu yɛ wɔn ever since ayɛ di ego yɛn yɛn ho biara nko ntɔkwa yɛ even yɛ ko ntɔkwa kora stay within us nkɔ abɔnten nti wowɔ akyi abɛka sɛ eyinom de wɔn ko but yɛkɔ paa but time yɛ within us nti one day bi yɛ tena yɛ sɛ yɛtumi akɔ nkasa ade yi nyinaa de a ɛne date na yɛmfa congress nto yɛn ho anaa nti yɛn a yɛde congress no etro yɛn ho sɛ okay nti ɛne na ɛma adi congress no ɛba into existence na up to now congress no so hɔ I say ɛyɛ sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ kɛkɛ we are here to stay akɔsi time a yɛbɛwu
President wabɔ ni nyinaa tɔfa ɛde ama ɔgyɛ sɛ for the past 16 years ni ana the congress nso no wɔba they've gone through a whole lot wɔn sɛ ɛnyɛ easy wɔn afɛm a ana ɛnɛ wɔn aba ne no wɔn abɛdu saa mpɛmpɛn so yi ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ nneɛma de wɔre yɛ bi but as in to any groups a wɔn fi a wɔn rehwɛ no 27 they will come there to come and conquer nti ɛne no mu nyinaa mo nso no mo yɛ steady ɛwɔ nti ɛne vice secretary and the president nso ɛwɔ mo nkyɛn but maame nkɔ secretary ɔno adwuma kɛse no egyina no so ohyɛ dwumadi akwela for afa adato wɔn so sɛ ne no wɔbɛka groups ɛwɔ ɛkɔpɔn nyinaa bɔ mu na afei so a groups no atumi apagya wɔn ho na afei nso ɛkɔpɔn atumi afa ne mpuntu ɛde ɛfra na sɛ ɛkɔpɔn mpuntu atumi akɔ so wogye sɛ dwumadi akwela fudi ɛbɛboa
paa ɛyɛ dwumadi papaapa na wafa ato ne ho so sɛ wɔreyɛ ɛyɛ paa.
Okay, the secretary Chima Jumadi Aquila for Associate Sebason on the endorsing 100%, which is a Jumedia Abeba, it's an Ushu Mema, and I said Kopuma. Evan, in terms of development, I say Yake Chikakra, the Ninaco life, Afatu also, Najawarika, Mebu, I work upon Abu, nothing yet my fight for development. I just say, I know the Abeba, Madam President. Mami bisa were you activities in the adults on the day. You were ampe, you were ludo, you were draft, just a eating competition. Aerobics now. Obiba also know the ane the ebani di party unumdi. But then I was unumi.
Oh, me just say I can't see no war. I didn't suni na de. Met to me, aye almost ni na. Met me abom me home den aye ni na. Na me smith me who di say me ya de woludu mu pa efe metumi agba ampe nso well because obi be heka say o idi osunti otumi keka ne ho but ma ho keka de wo ho pa nti me metumi aye bibia metumi aye mu bia
so madam what bibia de obetuma aye ezan say Oning Congress in the BBA Utumi. It's no, but Madam President, Mammy Bissau, team no, Edajumedin is developing our community through the youth. Osha, Yenya Mebuni, Congress and Sumuya Mebuni. Okaman, yes, in terms of development, Yako Yang and him, and as a Yawayachi, Okamban soon I answer youth, I work upon us, and a bit more faster. Neja Okaman development and so on. That's me about Mammy starts in Venfi. Secretary and our president or okay, so my main secretary. Ebony Tensana Midi can be sound. I say Yakechi. Upon me, so I get this. My youth able to make fire and walk out when I feel develop your couple.
Sena Midi make Cassie, Acro Life, I had the chess. Jumadi Bebre or Wayena, me did say, my youth no Akabo. So what I say, into a Yinumuna, a part of it. I beboya ama woni na yenyi na ya kai ho abom
president Makwa Congress me just say more doors are open for those that will join a group na kwame so na ja obi person join the congress obetimi abaja mo phone number na say any page bi obi person join na kwame so obi betimi afa join mo age limit bi a ja obi person join aje onya sa age na sa na wetimi aba join
joining the yende no kware onyankopon anim sie start ye ohu bi a mefra ye mu da nti yende ye njo bi nkaye ho ye wo other groups are say e bia opese okaye ho a ye wo other groups are ye ne hu nyina ye be join but efa congress per se ne de
ayema
enye ma ye but ye njo bi nkaye ho well na before ye be je wakaye ho no kwa no na bia ye no atna ache ama ye hu suban nye sa because ye no yesterday no na ye nyina na say yet baby baako ene ikra ampo no ye majority yet one place well iti obi obeka ye ho de eno de me nka so bi betumi abeka ye ho because ye abo shell bi wo ye ho a ye mpeso bi bebe mo we break it ade no iti ye de ye njo bi nka ye ho. Yes.
The senior Atifu Moshe, president, the Congress, area to go. Jim said, and yes, I was will be more than so one member, and I said, well, you know, Oshe, Congress from Baby Wofi, area Bedu, and Nina, Niama, one film or conference, so I build this Akuna, Sabi, one moving Fincheng, Emma, and Fancy Chimu, Emma, 2 women, and say, what's the time, and I wash I say, Waraka, one boom, Eddie Jumedi, from Okapim, and Oba join Congress, and I thought joining Sakuya, my bedding, Adiaman, other groups are also with Mabwa, also to me, I join internally, and some are, and Nana Amadou Kuya Didi, I know a president, Adama, the Congress, and so on, Adia to Gassana, secretary, using name Armenia, using Auntie Angazawa, Mary Magdalene, and also a secretary, Adama, the Congress, and so Adi Atsuga. But look on Facebook, nothing messages kakra about Betmako Kenka, nothing so no. Part 2 no, Adi Atwaso, part 2 no, send a your question and answers. Aha, Naja, Yadi Atwaso, Adi Ama, Wintino, Mamiko Facebook, nothing so messages kakra, no, Menko Kenka, and Mamo. And you know, Kofi Adu Julius, and so Orisha and Aja, and so in Chiaka say, Ediama Sansana, say La Kwesi Razors, and so there was a big house. Aja Odin Chiaka say, Edima groups that need also ultimate Abbey Quim, or Parabia Bakwame, and so there were my justice to it. Now, Kwame Chima, Mission Minus, my Denino, but too much. No be besides the Congress more, any war, our Congress, Motimu. Nipa where Congress no or Parabia and we start our question or something in Nanaya. That's what the idea was. Ama, you can talk power. Just okay, so you say, Bunum Casasa, Jene Wohu, Sasa, and then Yawa Union, also just through fire and the new vibrant, you know, one of the wounding Asita over your Congress.
I always say, yes, we answer. Well, because you're in the crony, they see an answer. Oh, one bank says, I want to wait again. If you tell us for crowd, which again. What to tell my Casa? Over for some of my done.
And to us, assemble, I go to me, I want a crowd of fire. New vibrant in the way of
and Madam, I cry, yea, knew how we hope.
But Sunny, what's behind every successful man or your beer? Until Madam, now, Jama Jamu, Menina Moma, and Miana Chima, there's one who knew there's a moon, and to come here, but I did what a year, Nana Kuneduka Post Chama, or should you made live Facebook, Lana, that I was Alex Va, and so Echidua, also Arish, then Alex Va, said, Sasana, Sikasam, whether there's a fire on the mountains, vibrant, I have the Congress now, just so Japa, and I know what the average made in more fire, and so on, and call Fama more, and the messages in Abba. Every person also, the Becona face here, the messages, help me out to us, so I can gang Eddie Amamu. But then I only know which way Aku Live or Facebook, so that's my YouTube channel, Aku Live G. And then exclusive interaction. The Congress and our friends, a dream team, a debut, and then our other ocean. Make out the 27th of February. Aku Live Rep Your Club Fan Games, everybody. So now, Tima, Eda, Jumedi, developing our community through the youth and Aku Live. Jumakua Ruby, as she said, say one fan bro now so now him headline sponsor no Dutan group and then Dutan presidential court so no one then on a venue and then Jumedi no so ebetimi akọ supported by a major pharmacy as let's heal you and our face kumi concept as making your brand stylish at this station so no aja eba na duan papa so bolo ice cream ken ni ama o contacted at this station so ebetimi akasanso na any BH Studios as good music is the source food also etimi ebwa Jumedi Mimi's Closet as the apparel closet that suits your budget nteni no ukra sika bia na pata papa she na sa wa contact Mimi's Closet na face won sa etima ka ntarifa etima she sansa Seaman Advertising and so no support the Jumedi no ewo wa Jumeku nyina so na bo ama e de Jumedi no so etimi ebro ye beko na face so part 2 no e de abro zena nipa na yututu zenya mana president o ma vice so ba abebo vice president so no oh okay obi abetima ba na efe musuma jo ni na questions ne de ore answer na when you support after so what me e answer questions no so ewo okay so intino sana ogusu ehwe no the Akro Life club fan games ya dey be on interactions with the various groups no so no ana na ya dey eba o hwe misa benkum so the congress on ana ewa hanom sansa misa ni fans no the dream team also ewa ha no akwa girls ana wa boyerem ewa na ja midantem 3 on my right 3 on my left ntene no my heavy pa my heavy mo se bibia no mia unya uma abo ntene my heavy aso ewa producer wo echi ntino wo emfisara amfa o ma minji je ndem kakra ntino part 2 no ya de baba na sana rules no ni opeke pipe bia your question number also ntino number ba peke no eja ho question wa na ibisa wa utumi twa 3 points when twa eja wa twa 0 na I bonus question to a opponent ntino ya beko na finso no ya shase eja bibia ni ma shase de afi Mr. Nifaso on the right and the mudu the shase de afi Mr. Nifaso eja bacho momye eyine ready na ntino question number ba mama shase mfemfi Mr. Nifaso ntino ya mami nkura ne se ntino question number ba pick no ja question wa one pena wo yi na ja ibisawa let me answer number 5 so question number 5 what the bacho ti ni when you hear of okay also when you hear of Lady Brown which school comes in mind ja wo crop on yo crop mem bacho ze crop mind on the man finance crop mind okay you crop mind basic school and then one moto no mema I'm for 3 points in your man producer to me for 3 points in your man okay question no answer no other bano eja congress question number 1 okay which day did Ghana gain independence which day and which year did Ghana gain independence? Afi be mu and that port ben and Ghana enya famudi.
6th March 1957.
Correct. Ntene no on the 6th of March 1957 ana oman kronkro Ghana etumi enya one famudi. Ntene 3 points and bayere pa. Nti dream team also mofa akona ukoyi ni a won to media eja pason so betumi a show ewo question number 2. Who was the president of Ghana in 2009? Nina ne omanpanyin na also 2009.
Kufuor president John Kufuor John Ejekum Kufuor.
Akao. For you to say 2 attempts and 1. 2. 2. Okay. Oh yes, who final answer then?
No.
Who final answer?
John Atamos.
Final answer?
Final answer.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yes.
Ujedi.
2009.
Who was the president in the year 2009? Final answer?
Atamos.
Ujedi.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, sure.
You.
Producer, oh, yeah, sure. We are sure Santa Nama and
Yanko.
Correct. And the dream team, yes, His Excellency John Evans Atta-Mills, and another president in the year 2009. And question number 4, producer, question number 4, no. My missioner, I also Mike, you, mamma, Bemede. You might be man. Question number 4. Okay, producer. So question number 4. Who is the current Speaker of Parliament? Who is the current Speaker of Parliament? Anamado Kuya. But here no answer.
That's his Sumana Akban back then.
But your answer no, yes.
Akban back then.
Right Honorable Alban Bagbin, and the Speaker of the current Speaker of Parliament. Okay. As answer, welcome to hold on, speak here. The 6.6 points. I hear it. May I make the final question? More boss, I made the final question. Question number 6. Which school? Which year? Which school? On the Equiapin Ridge. Which school on the Equiapin Ridge has the motto before some hang? School where now Equiapin Maja, one motto. Before some hang.
Every girls.
I just say.
Every girls.
Final answer.
Every girls.
Producer, but you confirm me, mamma, and say, Abraham Benjamin China answer the main who final answer then?
Every girls.
Okay, correct. Every girls and one motto. I will be crafting register. Edit before so hang. Final question. Question number 3. You're 9 against 6. So one final question. Final question. Question number 3. I don't know if you could come now, but then you say no. Me, I'm going to come. Okay, mommy can you add no so. Mommy can you add no so. Uchu come kura uri no wala But this is a question needed. I know your thing. Question needed. I know your thing. But mommy bisa. Who was the artist of the year in Ghana? When I say who won the artist of the year in 2019? Who won the artist of the year in 2019? Yes, Vodafone Music Awards 2019.
2020 na oni pako wi iti na na hima Ebony. Ebony.
What you confirm me, man?
Ebony.
Final answer.
Ebony.
Correct. Ebony and artist of the year in the year 2019. It's an acquire 99 points. Last question. But two this to what have answer first now answer. What answer now to what lose opponent of Pakro answer we winning. What do I pro who could think so 1-1. The rules in it to me I know why you come. The answer no so when you are not trainer on the smart can and win on the day. And then if you go to come. No me am go to come na. Ana me am go to come. Ana if you producer question. Okay. Edi mama fantastic we are force and shade. Mama and question about me test to be a force. What is the full meaning? And you name Sir Rollins. Yeah, do don't you could JJ. Full meaning of JJ. Okay, no, so be alert. The main question. Wait a minute, test. What test? Okay. The main question. In which year? Activities, sporting activities in in which year did Ghana win the Under 20 World Cup? In which year did Ghana won or win the Under 20 World Cup? I said 16 years in it. I buy a chair only equals woman. Buy a chair. I did you more. Now, more show. In which year? Ben and Ghana under 20. It's me a World Cup.
209.
What's your front page? In which year? Anna Ghana under 20 we win the World Cup. No?
2009. 2009.
What can you answer me?
Debbie.
Who answer me, Obama?
Debbie.
Those one, what can I know?
I mean, cousin, young, so no, only
Correct. In 2009, and the national under 20, the Black Stars, it's me, the under 20 World Cup. Which one player was couldn't? Oh,
I did die you.
The day you will be enemy. Will be now, Boba count.
The die you now.
But I think the Neji made it very, very interesting. But Mamiko, president or for the Congress now, vice president, okay, treasure. I ban sika sama. Okay. Mami bisa treasure. Madam treasure mpasho obebe me wa ha. Aha. Neja, aha. Union wo fi nso nya kwan etimi ahwe we. Mpasho odin.
I'm the Felicia Santos Echiabia.
Felicia Santos Echiabia. Mpasho na ye treasure Edma the Congress.
Yeah.
On the 27th, big show no Erebaso, the 10th presidential court. Then I can edit for Jumedia Aquila phone so no estimation.
Okay. Because we are looking for such an opportunity to at least showcase our talents and whatever we can do. So I think it's a pleasure and it's an overwhelming program that we are even more. I don't know how to put it. All we need to is just to embrace this program. That's all.
Okay. So now I'm treasure can you see so. Jaba no bro so madam wait me that will be far. But madam treasure mami bisa we a foot ben na odbema okwaman ana se kopon youth mebun you work up foot ben ana odbema the youth.
Okay, thank you. I think more work from her so pardon because all the time I number na to me kasi sana mo no AMFA. I quite remember say nkrofo bi be kan ho. But when I yet in Subaino, we couldn't, they couldn't be part of us because we have rules and regulations. Maybe we don't do. And we all go by those rules. Until what bit me, you just go against the rule now. You just be out. Until the best microphone is there. And you now for say you say now for na and I say nam. And if you should say, Chrome hang Kosunina Becoso. Yen you be yen you be ham. The air bumpire and say, like Mofane Banina bit me, Asha yen so now what they any like no be paying part to say, and because worker groups in me or Chrome will be a better, I'll say, a congress. What I say, we like I don't know how to put it. And I'll go on this say, Mofabe Riba, into the ever catch on this say. One from one is serious because you see, an education is the key. Without education, you cannot be successful. I'll never lie to you. Because when I go to school, there are things that you can't even write and can't even speak. What you ask? The better one is say, one for one's book seriously, one say this seriously. Then ever one that once when you're doing penny be. Now one abstain from teenage years, drug abuse. Once abstain from premarital sex. Unprotected sex because they say you can't tell them saying go have sex, so the right thing they should do is to just protect themselves. That's all we can say. Thank you.
Okay, so Madam Treasure, now think about Madam Treasure, President Akaze Eja Ananabano Ampia mention Nekasi which me who are born in some we did then with my apart from Sikasam.
Okay.
And I am counting of money now.
No, Nanka, I think so. One of our girls, she was expecting Sankebia. You guys will include netball because we can play netball. Apart from that, I can't do anything. Maybe just play. That's all.
Won't you mean Didi?
No, I can't eat.
But you eat in the house?
I eat, but I can't eat. But we have one friend who can really eat.
It's Treasure. I my conquest. I don't know so much. You say you do it, but in terms of competition, there. Won't me and yeah. Over to my bumpy, over to my bones.
Yeah, I am it, my boy.
It's much out to you so.
Oh, it's get to be it's my baby.
Okay. But my mama called the dream team, so now yɛnwie no finally ɛwɔ president secretary ana agya me vice then na ne kwakwa mo bɛka ɛkyɛ the youth agya wɔwɔ kɔpɔn no kwap mɛm nipa ɛhwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ fie then na mo bɛka kyerɛ in terms of agya ɛba kɔpɔn kwamɛ so na agya betumi final words agya advice wɔde bɛma youth ɛwɔ kɔpɔn.
Oh, na meka no sɛ abrabɔ no ɛna wɔtra saa nti they should aim at what they want to do in life. Wontumi mfa wo ho nto obi so. You have to live for yourself, not for anyone. You have to live for yourself and not for anyone. And with that, I think the way to me far. And I'm feeling so youth ni baby. I think the young guys na me who no. I say one join the cool baby ya. One year you won't like person na de. I don't know the. Nti message say one share ho asem na one ka. And young girls no. So I think that baby share one who what their colleagues have, their friends have. One nikra by force as sonya. And no necessarily me too one for say one jai na. One kasa one share one sitting na one function ya one person wo ye. And no so be boa.
Okay, and President Adema, the dream team and our team. But let me take final words from Obibia, Obeka, finally, Obeka, Obechi, and I say, on the show, no, then Obibia, Obeka, yeah, sorry.
Oh, maybe didn't check a second, madam. Akosia of Akosia San.
Maybe Jamin, all the. I
think no, and no, Wakosia of Akosia and San, we didn't check a sema, and I said, I can say, fine, so I'm a demand, and a Juma Poi.
Sir, and I don't know vice for Jim, sir, on also Akosia of Akosia and San, on also not in check, say, ever man, Madam Secretary, who will be able to come back to Bremer.
Okay, Pacho, Medina Dream Team and name Edin Tiamo BBR Osha live or Akro live Facebook, and Tiziano, as we always have confidence and faith in everything we do, no. Yes, sure BBR say BBI bebe games bebe you be a bebe tayenchi. Oh BBI yeah. The Dream Team so no yakase yaba no so the na yaba. Yeah. Mpacho me worry.
You be doing come over Rose and our technical no secretary but my main final shout out to be Obibama who be able to and bibi abesa kan de chete for
me per se me can be share yeah kuapem phone pen for our ha say I mean who said that time na ye here won most pa na dwumadi a Akro life ye no odo wani fam a hu se nya dwumadi keke na worry ye no worry ka ye nya agba no na ye so ye hu se na ye be asena asetena no etifanti na meka che kuapem men ka se kropon pese ye kuapem mpenfo de se that time na ye hia won pa it is that time won hu se ye bibi se a won two men ye na won moya ye na yensu yentumi tunkan enkwa anim because yenim pa say ye hanom na education start fee nti yemu binom wo ha ye educated pa nti wo betumi aboabo ayem bebre but ye nam ne yekọ ne yeba saa ne nam ne yekọ ne yeba saa me I think say ene na ma yeni anu bebre wo ha won akọ into drugs no wo nti say that time me say wo betie yensu na say wo beba yembuema akabe yende pa wo because esantini de o tambia na okase wo fa be wa amedi wo fa de na yenso hina na obewu na yenso yen di na de yenye ni obia ye be di na de nti won meboa ye na yenso nya kwan boa achimfo no na dachi won so ogina ba bi no wakasa wakaso onipa semesi bo onipa semesi no na onu so gina so na onu so de ye den odeba nti won tie yen na won tie yen so na efe Akro life I hope say next time the games na yen kropon kwa because there are other themes wo manfin ebri ebri wo mampon one so that time wo hwe yen be yen wani je se na nka one so wo ye part but one the one relax next time yen ye betimi up na ye de ahia wo it's one relax kwa it's Akro life for say damase fa say my dwumadi sɛ because obi wɔ hɔ kɔ ne obi nkasa but ebi atru eyi no ɛbɛma na kwenya no ne onipa ko no enya saa nkitahodin no nti yɛda Akro Life ase tie fe nso mema me shout out mema me girls no shout out nti me mema Rita hi Rosina hi sister hi Sally hi Osia hi mother hi adobia wo fie nso ya wo nso hi
Very, very interesting. The president of Congress and also what's in the country. And then ebe do BBRC the Congress dream team. Nipe be pray mo ewa yemi do that. I'm final messages and Facebook na things no. Yemfa this interesting conversation no. Emfa AC. Say la kwesi rise so there but also say Nana Esimorgan. Ono fans nana. Ya kwesi enso ade ema no sanse na Mame Angel Boache also na ja oma apoka kra wa no chim in 2009 na Tamils and a president Sansana Njematic Joe Khalifa also other but also Kufuor was also the president in 2009 for 7 days it's an Njematic Kufuor the president kakra for 7 days no kwai Sansana mami Esibuachi stand about also na na pona na normal also James the Brigals na ja wo moto Ade Beposo hang Asante Bakwin 2.0 also girls get balls pa just me and also no if you one vim and a big go cry na was so papa menu bia ekuya kufu also other states ja ope uloka bar services waiting services and eba no cocktail and yamaniama o contact other states nsa ebetimi akabi Okay. Abranti and the Asante Bakwin. That's on the about change premarital sex and all the Ayana how perform. Yeah, maybe no more condom, no toy adi be berma. Although we use now berma numbers beshan basa yeah. Before you have sex, so to me I use to condom so and also to me the abba mame Angel Boache. And so about vanity. Have mercy on the youth, God. Then you know, my mention it me. Aka sa Eddie Alpha. Any America oh crap men no so. Sansana. Mammy Sunday Ababi. Akro Life, you do all. God bless you, Mammy. God bless you to Yankupon Sono. Inshallah. And then Jerry Man. And also no Gatuso. And also no it me a share life. Sansana Kisi the coupon. And so no it's me Mr. Kisi do kwapon and so it's me share live Facebook and also no yemfa nchi akase emfa emano well said my sis akuya nyameche ana ono so edi aba ubo eye mmia no so aba so se nye wodi afutu sem kase ade ema ekwapon emmebu no akuya nyameche Sunday aba o se ama pa all high and also it's me ade ne dia bona star fina ponsa and so edi aba so please well done also no why are the power person nyabre and so no etimi a share young nana ama asanto and no nyabre and so no etimi a share do I know I very interesting my fancy I can say yeah down so no another group so etimi about but on a day no question on a day no say the dream team ana etimi ewini questions of the day dream team so no ana etimi ewini ewo ho nti no emfa dwumadi ni yansi Yambo groups in Abaso, the dream team and Prince in Congress, and that will be saying when you are joining very, very interesting conversation at the Ebro. Mekasa on the 27th of February 2021, in Shia, the 10 presidential court, nothing so. Yamfa Akro Life Repro Club Fun Games, developing our community through the youth, and fan bro. Yamfa you made in Yancy, Yada, the best sang Asia. But as a meeting, and in an aqua, Muchumka.